Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're gonna talk about a massive change that Meta is doing into the interest targeting with the help of AI. All of us, we think that Meta is gonna abandon the interests, and yes, they're removing so many interests right now, but recently I have seen a new box that you can actually go and you can describe your business and you can actually be able to generate interests. It has helped me a lot because I didn't know about some interests that they exist. I have played with it a lot and it's really fun, but it's not yet in all our accounts and we don't know if it's gonna be rolled in all our accounts. In my opinion, it should be because it's a very good tool, and as of now, people were using third-party tools in order to find different interests. Do we need the interest? After some point, no. But it's good to have this over there because maybe in the beginning of a brand, you're gonna need the interest in order to target more efficiently, have lower CPMs and all of that until you train your pixel and eventually go to full broad. Let's go into my PC. Let me show you and let's play a little bit with it so that you can understand how it is. If you have it, you can also play with it. I will see you on my PC. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. So I'm here in one ad account that I have found this option. Obviously it's not yet open to all the other accounts, but we're gonna play a little bit with it just to understand it better. So the way that this is working is basically that you're describing your audience and it's gonna find interests for you. So let's say, for example, I do have, let's say it is a skincare brand that helps young girls to overcome acne problems. Let's generate options. It's taking some time. So the thing that we got here, it's something that I haven't seen before when I was playing with it. You couldn't generate suggestions for this description. It may reference audiences, characteristics that aren't permitted under Meta advertising policies. Try describing your audience differently. Okay, let's try something else. Let's say, for example, it is an Andy. Let's try actually to do it another way. It is a skincare brand that helps women get rid of, it's pimples on their faces. The audience is young men that go to school or university. We try to do it in another way. So now it passed. I guess the trigger word before it was acne, which we know that it's a problematic thing, and gave beauty tips, clean, cosmetics, clinique, cosmetics, blah, blah, all of that. So this is way number 1 that you can use this one. You can just go and you can use it by just describing. Now, let's say that we have something else, okay? Let's try to remove all of those, just a second. Another way that I tried using it is because I know about the Christianity niche. Try to give me any interests related to Jesus. And let's see what it's gonna do if we can find any interest related to Jesus Christ. Okay, it gave me again the same message. I believe it's because I know that they have removed everything. So let's try to do it in another way again. It is a Christian brand that tries to spread the message of Christianity through let's try that, for example. Okay, so it has nothing to give us here. Let's go to the scenario that we're trying to find. So trying to target people that have high income and they are going to be interested in purchasing real estate properties. I mean, I'm also playing with it. Since it came out, I have played a little bit with it, but now in the video I'm trying also to play with it and see what kind of things it can give and do. Okay, so here it gave us some options. Nice. Who prefer high value goods in Philippines, in UAE and stuff. I didn't know, for example, about this kind of interest. People who prefer high value goods in India. And it gives also this blue thing, I don't know what it is. We didn't have it on the previous one. It says description people who have expressed an interest or like pages related to people who prefer. Okay. And we have real estate industry, property, investment and stuff. Okay, that's a decent one. You do understand how it works, and I think this is a really nice prompt box over here that we can put our different ideas on how we want to target things and everything, and it's gonna give us ideas. For example, I didn't know about this interest, people who prefer high value goods in there. So I think that you can find a lot of different targeting options. It's not yet available in all the other accounts, but I really liked it. I hope it's gonna go into all our accounts because it would help a lot. It would be the end of some third parties that they are doing this job, sadly for them. But it was one of the interesting things because, you know, at the end of the day, we all believe that Meta wants to remove completely the interests, and here it's giving us this box, which is actually, it's gonna make people use interests again, actually. As you can see, I'm having a lot of fun playing with it. I could sit for another 1 hour easily, play with it and find different interests. It's really useful. I'm finding interests. I think that after Meta is removing all of these interests, it's one box that here gives us another hope about the interest. Not that we necessarily need them, but I think that they're crucial sometimes for the beginning of new brands and for training new pixels. Very good setting. I hope that Meta is gonna roll it across all their accounts. The actual fun part is that while we think that Meta is removing interests and we're not gonna use them again, then it puts this button. While we think that Meta is taking a lot of our control, then it puts value rules. They're doing these kind of things and they're confusing us, but I love it, you know.
I love it!
Because these new features, the other new features, they make me think again of how I'm going to use them and all of that, and this is what I love. I love to try to decipher how I'm gonna use each one of the settings because, again, as I said many times, I don't believe that there are bad settings, it's just the way that we're using them. In any case, if you also want to decipher how the algorithm is actually working, you can check my book, you can check my course where I'm explaining all of these concepts and I'm explaining how I interpret the algorithm, and you can check that from theory videos up to implementation videos, Loom videos on how I do it on ad accounts, but also what I believe that is happening on theory. Sometimes we just have to follow whatever is working on the ad account, so you have all of that inside the course. You can see all of the reviews on the Trustpilot, and there is a free version so that you can see and feel how the course is actually looking and if you like it or not. I also have my mentorship program, Chosen 5, where we do one-on-one sessions daily, but you need to have some certain criteria like specific spend and stuff. Shoot me a message and maybe we're gonna be a good fit and we can start working together. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.